Kakot Social Studies jangka kelas 3 jong kena school Little Star Senior Secondary School kabadan hakandai mer baridua Riboy District. Kelapin bakla ya kajing batai jong kiktien ke jelami kelayam. Ha kajaka banbu bak kiktien jong ke jelami kelayam. Kidai kiktien khasi bat garo. Kani Kakot Social Studies balat ho da Dhanan J Joshi bat Nilam Jain. Kalat ho penban bak kiktien jong ke jelami kelayam kidai ke Bengali Nepali bat Marathi. Hadirin balayo jing tip nakaliang ke sang KSU kalalai banyak kendo yo principal katai ke school banyo jing syai. Bat habaya keren hakate kejingnya kendo o principal ke school Little Star Senior Secondary School uloong ban nakaliang ke school mas tip ya kani kejing bakala kalapen sange ban hikai bat ulakular ru ban tho show publisher ban penbet ya kani kakot namar kalayalam bakala ya kena pulih khamtam ki bashabar ke jelam meglaya.
In this books written to the Meghalaya capital in Shillong, it is right, but Bengali, Nepali, Marathi this is the totally wrong, because it should be Khasi, Garo, English. Revert that, then they write totally wrong. So I condemn it. So I asked to the publisher, you rectify and write the correct message in your book. We got the book chapter number. This whenever we show that is the mistakes. Whatever Meghalaya original language is the Khasi, Garo and English. In this regards, they are writing to the something difference. That's why we are going to give correction. We send to the message to publisher to correction and to rectify and publish another one, right book. So it is not our mistake, it is a mistake to publisher. We are asking to the publisher not to mistake such types of the mistake come to again.
Lap ya kajing ujor nih pak bat ni nong katukan ni halo jong Kakot Social Studies ke balashi kai po school Little Star hakabaya de bat official language ba kitho ba kadega Bengali Nepali ba Marathi anda ngilawa da sen KSU haka ya hakane kasni ha school Little Star bat ngilayo an kendo principal nakalian jong iru ila kubur ba kadega don kajing bakla leng ba publisher bat kila ongru ba mangkiru kila sange kai kana Kakot bat kila ongru nakalian ko jong ki ba kin hak kajing ujor sa publisher bat sa ginnek do sa emboss office bat di I office kena kalian doki laong ba ingit ya kajing bakla bat kinami kaisu ya kanega Kakot bat principal ki laong ba ya kanega Kakot ni kadeba publish dan baka NCERT te ni na kalian ko doktasen ni pa ban bu ya kanega kajing katpat ya ka education department bahkan simkia tempat syaka NCERT bahkan lada ka publish kino tikpat bandawat nya sya banapit ha ya kino kajing sya bandesu ban publish ka ya ikum kini kijajing tho namar ka yalam bakla ya kalawai de nakalian ka education department ibu ya ki ka dikatpat subha ban ka bakini bu tho syaka NCERT dan ya kano ka bur namar kade Kakot ya kambi kan ka school ya kadon chatuwi ban tajung ka school ibangin patyo dikit.